Morning, everybody. It's 8:42 on this Wednesday morning, the the 31st, last day of the month of July, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2212. Okay, chart on the screen is the silver. We're in it. We added to it. I really like this bottom in here. We were wrong for about 2 hours when we put the position on Monday, but we came roaring back. Yesterday we closed on the high of the day and up about 65 cents, and this morning we're up about another 30 cents. So we're in the AGQ, which is the leveraged ETF for the silver, and we'll see how that performs today. We may be able to take a 100% up rule gain on it if it continues the way that it is. The ADP numbers came out this morning. They were weak, 112,000 versus 150,000, which was expected. That helped the market dramatically. Also helping the market dramatically was the huge bounce back after yesterday's action in all of the semis and all of the other related companies. Yesterday we had the earnings from Microsoft, which were a beat, but the stock actually got down from, it was about 422 on the open, on the close, and it got down to 389.20, which was down about $38. But managed to close at 411 this morning. It's trading at 415, and that's up $3.75. So a big bounce there. We also had a beat at AMD, 150.01 up 1157 or 8.4 with guides in line. Starbucks in line, misses on revenue. Global comparable store sales decreased, reiterates all of its fiscal year 24 financial targets. The stock is 79. It's up about $3 or 4%. Arista Networks, also a big beat by 16 cents, beat on revenue, guides through Q3 revenues in line, expects revenue growth of at least 14%. The stock, ANET, is trading 328.99. That's up 17.57 or 5%. Mondelez beat, and the stock is minorly higher. It's 67.69. That's up 64 cents or 1%. Nvidia is up in sympathy with the AMD results, trading 110 and change, up 7 or 6.9%. ASML, which is the chip equipment manufacturer, 921.33, up 61.09 on the foreign chip equipment export rule to have key exemptions for allies. T-Mobile with a beat of 21 cents, reports inline revenues 180.44, up $5.08. Live Nation misses. It's up 18 cents, so nothing much there. Boeing 193.25, up 639 or 3.4%. They missed by $1. They missed on revenues. 737 program increased production in Q2, and they appointed Kelly Orthberg as president and CEO effective August 8th. This is a really good example of when something is down and it's had a bunch of bad news. It doesn't necessarily need good news to start back up. It just needs news that's not as bad, and I would have to qualify that as what's going on at the Boeing. So Very nice move up here, helping the Dow, and it also should help Spirit Aerosystems, SPR. We have a position there at 31.10, based on the fact that it's a 37 and a quarter dollar all stock deal, which generally means that we are busy buying the Boeing at a discount by owning SPR. It's trading 36.50, and that's up 24 cents. So not bad there. Pfizer is off a little after a really nice run, going ex-dividend 42 cents and finishing up 92 cents on the day, reporting earnings that were neither good nor bad, but also less bad. And the stock has reacted well, so $31 and really feels pretty good. Let's see what else. Zim, Z-I-M. We paid $17 or $16.97, I believe, or $19.67 today. That's up about 68 cents. This one has some monster earning power. And Mr. Kiss of Death, Jim Cramer, came out yesterday on CrowdStrike that it's absolutely the bottom and you should go in and buy it. The stock was down $22 15 minutes after he made that statement. It got down as low as, let me just check, it got down as low as 226, closed the day 234, which was still down 24, and this morning is minorly higher by $1.20. So nice call, Jimmy. Let's see what else we have here. As I said, silver up about 27 cents. Let's look at the rest of the futures. We have the grains down. We have oil up $2.50, $2.56 after the massive decline that it's had. Now we'll see whether it's going to bounce back or whether it's going to run into the resistance that it left behind around 78 to 80. The high for the day so far is 77.50. Gold is up 13. Silver is up 27 and a half. Cotton down a little, coffee up a little, sugar down a little, cocoa up a little. As far as the futures, let's take a quick look here. We have the S&P up 70, so that's a bit of an improvement. We have the Dow up 92. That's a little bit of an improvement up from up 86. And we have the Nasdaq up 408. That is a massive move. Okay, don't forget, we have the FOMC announcement at 2 o'clock. Press conference to follow. I would strongly doubt that you're going to see any action on rates taken, but there may be a change in the statement, so we'll have to wait and see. Also, by the way, Humana with a beat top and bottom line is 375 down 30 on guidance that said that their margins may get squeezed because people are going back for hospitalizations based on the fact that there are lots of elective surgeries that were postponed. DuPont 84.30 on a double beat, up 389 or 5%, and T-Mobile also a double beat, 180.25, that's up 489 or 3%. So be careful out there, folks, but I'm looking forward to taking a little bit of money off the table on the AGQ.